So today is New Year's Day 2021. So Robin and I are going to hike the Madre Springs Trail today. It's supposed to be about a couple miles out and a couple miles back. So we will see how this goes. So apparently if you go up the road here, we're only about I don't know, maybe a half mile, if that, from where we started, which is back down the hill that way. And we reached the turnoff to go to La Madre Springs, which is that path you see this way. Apparently, if you continue up that way, it's the Rainbow Mountain Wilderness area. But we'll ignore that for today because we're going this way, which must be the La Madre Mountains Wilderness area. Climb that one someday. I've never been up to the top of there.
I'm like, I guess on the side over there, huh?
Yeah, it's like on the side. You just scramble up.
You know, when we get really good and we start rock climbing.
Yeah.
No,
So I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this hike has got about 600 or 700 foot of elevation gain. So it's higher than Lone Mountain, if you saw one of my earlier videos. But this one is higher, it's just stretched out over a farther area. So it's still a good workout. So on the way to the spring, you pass this old foundation. Robin and I were just talking. There's varying opinions online about what this used to be. I could swear I read somewhere that it used to be used by the Boy Scouts. It was like a Boy Scout lodge, a Boy Scout building, and they would come out here and do archery, which sounds likely. I've also read online that it was somebody lived out here, it was the foundations for their home. So don't know what the truth is, but it's interesting that something was out here at some time in the past. Nice view out here. Nice day again too. We're hiking in our t-shirts out here. You can see there's snow on those distant hills a little farther to the north of us. I'm sorry, that's not to the north, that's to the west. North would be these mountains over here. And east would be over that way is Las Vegas. And here's another foundation across the road from the other one. You can see the other one we were just at, right over there in the distance.
we made it up the hill. That was only a little
steep back behind us there. So I think right over this hill is going to be the spring that we've been hiking to. So let's go see. Hey guys. So right down here at the interpretive sign will be the spring. Looks like we're gonna have company down here. All right, so we have reached the spring, La Madre Spring, which actually starts farther up the canyon. It winds down here. Continues down over the lip there, farther down the canyon. And apparently they've got some type of a restoration project going on here, according to the sign.
You've been that far up where you see it coming?
So a little farther up the trail, up that canyon, is the remains of an old miner's cabin. Rob and I are going to go a little farther. It's been a year since I've been up there, so I'm not sure if we're going to go all the way, but we'll go part way, and next time we'll go farther.
Yeah, because you see all this, like, must be the burrows or the deer or whatever that come down this way. They don't look so big if they're mountain lions yet. Okay. Okay, let's get a big feel in before we start hiking, right?
So we hiked a little farther up the canyon, not too far, just a little ways back up the canyon behind my shoulder. Now we're back at the spring, and we're gonna head back down to the car.